June 2025 for the people born in the month of October is about, bringing in their entire willpower that they have into play, because if you're thinking of achieving something really big, then you need to set up a time, a structure, and be disciplined about what you want to do. At the same time, you have to know that you have to be guided by your intuition. Do not let anybody or everybody's advice push you to take certain decisions that you might not be comfortable with. Okay. Then for the people born in November, June 2025 is about learning कि जो हो गया उसको जाने दे. Let bygones be bygones. अगर हमने कभी कोई एक डिसीजन लिया था, तो अगर हमें लग रहा है कि आज वो ठीक नहीं था, तो we can always take a step ahead and we can talk about it and we can say sorry, this did not work out or this is where I have been wrong. अपनी गलती मान के उसको छोड़ देने में, उसको अच्छी तरह से खत्म करने में बड़प्पन ही होता है. Do not feel trapped to be kind of like be pushed into something, because वो बहुत लंबा चलेगा नहीं. Okay, and for the people who are born in December, June 2025 is about taking care of your health, spending time with the people you love, people जिनके साथ आप relax करते हैं, जो आपको judge नहीं करते हैं, जो आपको जैसे आप हैं वैसे ही अपनाते हैं. So yes, बहुत सारा स्ट्रेस है, बहुत ज़्यादा आपने काम किया है mentally or overworked, so this is the time to move away from that, take a small break, or just understand that अगर मैं अब ब्रेक नहीं लूंगा या अगर अभी मैंने कुछ रेक्टिफाई नहीं किया, तो स्ट्रेस रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम्स मुझे हो सकते हैं. दिसंबर